Today we are making a no-bake Italian limoncello ricotta mascarpone cheesecake. It serves 10 people, and the prep time is 30 minutes of active time plus 6 hours to chill. Let's get started. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 7 ounces of amaretti cookies, finely crushed. These bring a classic almond sweetness to the crust. 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, melted. This binds the crumb crust. 12 ounces of cold mascarpone cheese. This adds rich Italian creaminess. 12 ounces of ricotta cheese, well drained. It keeps the filling light and silky. 1 cup of cold heavy cream. We will whip it for an airy texture. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Sweetens the filling just right. Zest of 2 lemons. This gives bright citrus aroma. 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. It sharpens the flavor. 2 tablespoons of Limoncello liqueur, optional. It adds a true Italian touch. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It rounds out the citrus. 2 1/2 teaspoons of powdered gelatin. This sets the no-bake filling. 3 tablespoons of cold water. We will use it to bloom the gelatin. 1 pinch of fine sea salt. It balances the sweetness. 2 amaretti cookies, crushed, for garnish. They echo the crust. 1 teaspoon of finely grated lemon zest, for garnish. Adds a fresh pop on top. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Line an 8-inch springform pan with parchment paper on the base, and lightly grease the sides. In a bowl, mix 7 ounces of finely crushed amaretti cookies with 1 pinch of fine sea salt and 5 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter until the crumbs are evenly moistened. Press the crumb mixture firmly into the base of the pan in an even layer using the back of a spoon, then refrigerate for 15 minutes. Bloom the gelatin by sprinkling 2 1/2 teaspoons of powdered gelatin over 3 tablespoons of cold water in a small bowl, and let it stand for 5 minutes. Place the bowl of bloomed gelatin over a small pan of hot water and stir until it is fully dissolved and clear, then let it cool to lukewarm. In a large mixing bowl, beat 1 cup of cold heavy cream to soft peaks, then set it aside. In another bowl, whisk 12 ounces of cold mascarpone, 12 ounces of well-drained ricotta, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until smooth and creamy. Add the zest of 2 lemons, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of limoncello, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the cheese mixture, and whisk until combined. While whisking, slowly stream in the lukewarm dissolved gelatin and mix until it is fully incorporated. Gently fold the whipped cream into the cheese mixture in 2 additions until smooth and airy, taking care not to deflate it. Pour the filling over the chilled crust and smooth the top with an offset spatula. Tap the pan on the counter a few times to release air bubbles, cover it, and refrigerate for at least 6 hours or overnight until fully set. Unmold the cheesecake by running a thin knife around the edge, releasing the spring form, and transferring it to a serving plate. Garnish the top with 2 crushed amaretti cookies and 1 teaspoon of finely grated lemon zest. Slice with a hot dry knife and serve chilled. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved this no-bake Italian cheesecake, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a recipe.